Hello everybody, welcome to A Tale of Spices. This is actually a trial attempt for me to make oatmeal raisin cookies. Now these are eggless oatmeal raisin cookies, and for that I'm going to use salted butter. This is about 1/4 cup of salted butter, and to that I'm adding half a cup of sugar. You can use brown sugar, but I don't have brown sugar, so I'm using regular granulated sugar. So this is half a cup of sugar. I'm just going to give it a quick mix. I have here 1 cup of regular whole maida. I'm adding that. This is half a cup of oatmeal, regular cooking oats. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So this is a 1/4 teaspoon measure. So 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to it and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. This is optional. If you don't like the cinnamon flavor, you can omit this. And now I have to give this a quick mix. So now you see that this is combined pretty well, and it's not a very sticky dough. This is somewhat like a crumbly dough. And to this I'm going to add a little bit of black raisins, and I have some cranberries, dried cranberries too, so I'm just going to add that. You can add any dry fruits that you like, so I'm just using a little bit of raisins and cranberries, and I'm going to give this a quick mix, and then I have to put this in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. So this dough was in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. Why we keep it in the refrigerator is so that the butter becomes hardened inside the dough. So now I have here a non-stick tray. I have lined it with butter paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a small ball like this, and you just have to press it and keep it. So like this I'm going to make for the rest of them. So I have made these cookies, and just ensure that you leave some space in between them. And I'm going to put this in a 180-degree oven for, I'm going to try it for 15 minutes first. If it's I'm going to check it at 10 minutes first, and then we'll see how it goes, because it's a trial. So this is close to, I checked after 10 minutes and I checked after 15 minutes. So now this is close to 18 minutes and it's done. So I'm going to take this out. You see that, it's getting the color by the sides, and also it's soft on the middle. What we have to do is it has to cool down completely, only then it will become crisp. So what we have to do is, once we take it out of the oven, you have to take it out and put it on a wire rack, so that the air passes from both sides and it cools down completely. Otherwise what will happen is, because of the moisture, it will tend to become soggy. So I'm going to take all these out and let it cool for 15-20 minutes. So these have cooled down completely, and what happens is, with oatmeal cookies especially, the inside is always a little softer than a regular sugar cookie. It will not be that crunchy like a regular sugar cookie. So I'm just going to show you how it would be when you break it open. So there, you have this. So it will be nice and chewy from inside and crusty from outside. So there, you have the good oatmeal raisin cookie, and I hope you try it out sometime. and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.